Welcome to another video. This is to show you how to use a mechanical electric timer switch. In this case it's a 24 hours mechanical timer switch, and you get these very cheaply at the local hardware store. This is basically for myself because I'm sure after a few weeks I will forget how to use it. So this is a reminder how to use an electric plug timer. So this is the switch to enable the timer, and at the beginning all of these things are up. So when these clips are all up, it means that the electricity from here is off if you put it on timer. And then, as you can see, there's a small switch down here. So when the pins are all up, it means that the switch will be off. But once you put the pins down, like here, you just push it down, and the switch goes over the pin which are down. It means the electric current will switch on here, so you will have electricity. And each pin is 15 minutes of electricity. So for 1 hour you have to put 4 pins down. So if you want the electricity from here to be on for only an hour, you put 4 pins down just before here. So this is to indicate the positioning of the switch here. I hope you can see it. And then it will turn this way. So if you put as an example, 1 hour is 4 pins. So when the switch turns, it turns very slowly, but when it turns, then this thingy will go up, and then that means the electric will be on here. So it will go on, and then it will go on for 4 times 15 minutes, and then when it's down here, then it will switch off again. So like that, the unit will be on for 1 hour. If you want to leave it on for several hours, then you have to simply push more pins down. Here you can see, to make it easier, the numbers are put here, so you know, you can see how many hours it will be on. And as soon as you want it to go off again, you just pull the pins at that position. After, for example, in this case, after 10 hours, you want it to go off, the electric current, and you just lift the pins upwards. So this unit is only for 24 hours, and then it will continue spinning. But you also get more sophisticated timer switches, which are slightly more expensive and have a digital display. But I think with this unit you already can do quite a lot, and it's really cheap, and it probably will save you electricity. For example, you can connect this to the air conditioner. So let's say you only want the air conditioner to go on for only 3 hours a day. You just push down the pins here for 3 hours, so that's 3 times 4 pins, so you just push down 12 pins, and then it will go on every day for 3 hours, so in case you are not at home, it will go on for 3 hours and then switch off automatically, always at the same time. So that's one way you can save a lot of electricity instead of leaving the air conditioner on all day long. You just use the timer, or you also can use it to switch on a lamp periodically, for instance to simulate that someone is living in the house, so to prevent anybody of having ideas to sneak in the house while nobody is there. So if you make a timer so that make the timer a bit random, so that the light switch goes on and off specifically at nighttime, then you can simulate as if someone is staying in the house although nobody is at home. So there's many practical usage for this fairly cheap item, and it has the potential to save some money on your electricity bill. So that was it for my quick tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.